Question number 1. Which Indian woman is known as the Queen of Jhansi? The correct answer is option A, Rani Lakshmibai. Question number 2. Which Indian city is famous for the Charminar? The correct answer is option D, Hyderabad. Question number 3. Who was the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal? The correct answer is option A, Karnam Malleshwari. Question number 4. Which gas is used to fill balloons for floating? The correct answer is option B, helium. Question number 5. Which Mughal ruler was also a great painter? The correct answer is option D, Jahangir. Question number 6. What is the name of the longest dam in India? The correct answer is option B, Hirakud Dam. Question number 7. What is the largest gland in the human body? The correct answer is option C, liver. Question number 8. In which year was the Jallianwala Bagh massacre? The correct answer is option B, 1919. Question number 9. Which Indian state is famous for the dance form Kathakali? The correct answer is option C, Kerala. Question number 10. Who was the first woman governor of an Indian state? The correct answer is option C, Sarojini Naidu. Question number 11. Which river forms the border between India and Pakistan in Punjab? The correct answer is option B, Ravi River. Question number 12. Which Mughal emperor built the Jama Masjid in Delhi? The correct answer is option A, Shah Jahan. Question number 13. Which dance form originated in Andhra Pradesh? The correct answer is option D, Kuchipudi. Question number 14. Which Indian island is located south of the Andaman Islands? The correct answer is option C, Nicobar Islands. Question number 15. Which state is known as the land of forest? The correct answer is option B, Jharkhand. Question number 16. Which state has the famous Kaziranga National Park? The correct answer is option B, Assam. Question number 17. Who was the first woman chief minister in India? The correct answer is option A, Suchita Kripalani. Question number 18. Which Indian city is famous for diamond polishing? The correct answer is option B, Surat. Question number 19. Which Indian state has the highest literacy rate? The correct answer is option C, Kerala. Question number 20. What is the national currency of Russia? The correct answer is option A, ruble. Question number 21. Which country is known as the land of the long white cloud? The correct answer is option A, New Zealand. Question number 22. Which state in India is known as the milk capital of India? The correct answer is option C, Gujarat. Question number 23. Which is the first country to grant women the right to vote? The correct answer is option B, New Zealand. Question number 24. What is the smallest planet in our solar system? The correct answer is option A, Mercury. Question number 25. Which Indian state has the highest population? The correct answer is option D, Uttar Pradesh. Question number 26. Which gas is used in the preparation of soda water? The correct answer is option A, carbon dioxide. Question number 27. What is the main ingredient of traditional Japanese sushi? The correct answer is option B, rice. Question number 28. What is the currency of the United Kingdom? The correct answer is option A, pound sterling. Question number 29. Which metal is most commonly used in electrical wiring? The correct answer is option D, copper. Question number 30. Which vitamin is known as the sunshine vitamin? The correct answer is option C, vitamin D.